Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. Friends, today we will learn about a so beautiful and so elegant different type of knitting pattern. You can apply this pattern in any kind of your project like ladies cardigan, ladies jacket, girls top, baby sweater and shawl and stall. So this pattern looks like this from right side and looks like this from back side. This pattern is 8 rows, repeat pattern, cast on multiple of 10 plus 5 extra stitches and plus 2 edge stitches, multiple of 10 plus 5 extra stitches and plus 2 edge stitches. So let's begin. For demonstration here we have 27 stitches on my needle. 20 stitches multiple of 10, 2 times 10 plus 10 is equal to 20 plus 5 extra stitches 25 and plus 2 edge stitches 27. Here I purl 2 base row. You can knit any border you want. So let's begin. This is first row and right side. Slip edge. From here we start our repeat pattern. Knit together from front loop. Yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit together from back loop, yarn in front, purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a repeat from here to here. Knit together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit together from back loop, purl 5. This is 10 stitches pattern. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Again we repeat this pattern. How much you have? So one more time. Knit together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit together from back loop, purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we complete 2 times. Repeat pattern last 6 stitches. Now knit together from front loop, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit together from back loop, knit edge from right side. First row is completed now. Second row wrong side. In this row purl these all stitches till the end of row. Second row and every wrong side row we make same. Purl these all stitches. Purl edge from wrong side. Now this is third row and right side. Slip edge. From here we start our repeat pattern. Knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a repeat from here to here. Knit 5, purl 5. Again we repeat this pattern. How many you have? So one more time. Knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we complete 2 times. Repeat pattern last 6 stitches. Knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Knit edge from right side. Third row is complete now. Fourth row wrong side. Purl these all stitches. Pull edge from wrong side. Fourth row is completed and our half pattern is also completed. Now we again repeat these 4 rows, but in this row we shuffle this pattern. Now this pattern goes there and this pattern goes there. So this is row 5, right side, slip edge, yarn in front. From here we start our repeat pattern. Purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Knit together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit together from back loop. That's a repeat from here to here. Purl 5, knit together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit together from back loop. Again we repeat this pattern. How much you have? So one more time. Purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Knit together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit together from back loop. Here we complete 2 times. Repeat pattern. Last 5. Purl 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Knit edge from right side. 5th row is complete now. 6th row wrong side. Again purl these all stitches. Purl edge from wrong side. 7 row right side. Slip edge. From here we start our repeat pattern. Purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a repeat from here to here. Purl 5, knit 5. Again we repeat this pattern. So one more time. Purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we complete 2 times. Repeat pattern. Last 6. Purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Knit edge from right side. 7 row is complete now. 8 row wrong side. Purl these all stitches. Purl edge from wrong side. 8 row is completed and our pattern is also completed. Now we again start this pattern from first row. In this way we repeat this 1 to 6, 8 rows, and after repetition of 8 rows this pattern looks like this. You can apply this pattern in any kind of a project. So friend, if you like my videos, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. So take care and bye bye friend.